Hello students, welcome to chemistry class 7. So in this video I will explain few new topic of chapter acids, bases and salt. So first of all, what is neutralization reaction? Neutralization reaction, a reaction in which acid react with base to form salt and water is called neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction can be represented as acid plus base gives salt plus water. Example, when hydrochloric acid is treated with sodium hydroxide, it will produce sodium chloride and water. The chemical formula of water is H2O. H is derived from acid, which is hydrochloric acid, and OH is derived from base, which is sodium hydroxide. This is double displacement reaction in which ionic exchanges will take place. About double displacement reaction I will explain you in next chapter. Now in neutralization reaction, different salts may be produced and the name of the salt produced can be predicted. The first part of the name is always the metal, that is the part of base. Like in sodium chloride, sodium is derived from the base, which is sodium hydroxide. Next, if the acid is hydrochloric acid, then the salt will be chloride or belong from the chloride family. If the acid is nitric acid, then the salt will be nitrate or belong from nitrate family. If the acid is sulfuric acid, then the salt will be sulfate or from sulfate family. During neutralization reaction, salt and water is produced, and salt are ionic compound consisting of an anion from an acid and cation from a base. About an ion and cation I will explain you later. So there are various examples of neutralization reaction like hydrochloric acid react with sodium hydroxide, it will form sodium chloride and water. Under bracket it is the state of the particular reactant and product, like hydrochloric acid aqueous. Aqueous means in that case solvent is water. It may be dilute also. Next, sulfuric acid react with sodium hydroxide, it will produce sodium sulfate and water. It is in liquid state, that's why here it is written small l. Hydrochloric acid react with calcium hydroxide, it is also known as slacked lime, it will produce calcium chloride and water. Other example, like nitric acid react with potassium hydroxide, it will form potassium nitrate and water. Now neutralization in everyday life. The neutralization reaction involving acid and base play a very important role in our everyday life. The remedy of food indigestion caused by acidity, treatment of an ant sting, bee sting, reducing the too acidic and too basic nature of the soil, and the treatment of the factory waste all involves neutralization reaction. So let's discuss few examples, like during indigestion, hydrochloric acid in a stomach help to digest food, but too much acid cause indigestion. And to relieve indigestion, we have to take antacid. So what is antacid? Antacids are mild base. Mild means weak base, such as milk of magnesia, which contain magnesium hydroxide. It neutralizes the effect of excessive acid in our stomach and provide relief to the particular person. Next, ant bite, it may be bee bite. When an ant bite, it injects the acidic liquid, which is formic acid, into the skin. The effect of acid can be neutralized by rubbing moist baking soda, which is sodium hydrogen carbonate, and the chemical formula of baking soda is NaHCO3, or it is also known as calamine solution, which contain zinc carbonate. So there is various neutralization reaction will take place in our everyday life. That's all for today. Thank you.